interesting tracks that I'd like to share with you all. So I'm just going to take the camera closer and we can have a look.
Basically what you're looking for here is these 3 nice even lobes and 4 perfect toes. This is a big male leopard track. I'm just going to see if I can follow this and see where we get to. This is nice and fresh. You can see there's not much dirt or leaves or anything in the track itself, so nice and fresh. I've managed to catch up with that male leopard and he seems very interested in the impalas that have been rutting behind me. Now I'm just going to keep really quiet and see if he keeps moving towards him. You can actually hear them going off in the background. It's really amazing to watch the focus of these beautiful cats when they're hunting.
What we have here is a beautiful male red-veined drop-wing dragonfly, and what I would like to chat to you about is the difference between the dragonflies and the damselflies. And now this is a stunning male dancing jewel damselfly, and notice how the wings are held back along the body rather than out away from the body like the dragonfly. It's also really nice to see the interaction between the male and female damselfly.
So what you folks can see is a beautiful African spoonbill in the water, and then a saddleboard stork busy feeding there in the back. So what you can see with the saddleboard stork is making use of more of a stabbing motion when it's busy feeding, try and get his prey. So you'll see the spoonbill constantly picking up stuff, just trying to search through it in the hope that he can find maybe any small slugs or maybe even a dragonfly larvae in the mud itself.
Okay, so this is called giraffe necking. You can see how they're swinging the necks at each other, and sometimes it can prove to be quite fatal when they do this, and they do it to fight for females and practice for females, but these are 2 young boys that are actually just practicing for the real thing one day. When they're going at it for real, you can actually hear the thumping of the heads eating. Oh my word, look at that, hooking him under the neck there. Oh boy. Oh wow, the guy's gonna fall down. This is bad, this is really bad. Better hope that he gets up. Looks like he might stay down. I hope he gets up. He's fighting to get up. If he doesn't get up, this could end really badly for us today. They've got about a minute or 2 to get themselves up, otherwise they might pass out. Still breathing. Oh, there he goes. He's up and at him. Sure. What a relief. That could have ended really badly. Here we have them now after the fight. Looks like they've made up a bit. The other guy said sorry for being nasty. But these are things that you don't always want to see, but it is nature, survival of the fittest. But lucky for us today, the story ended with a happy ending.